In this video, how to fix clean installation keep installing Windows 10 Home or Home single language automatically. For example, I'm installing Windows 10 from a USB boot device. As you can see, the installation starts automatically, and we don't have any option to select the edition we actually want to install. And the Windows 10 Home or Home single language will be installed. To fix it, let's restart the computer to reset the installation. At this screen, press Shift F10 or FN Shift F10 if you're using a laptop to open up the command prompt window. Press Alt-Tab to switch to the CMD window. In the command prompt window, type Notepad and hit Enter to open the Notepad text editor. Enter this code in Notepad. Next, navigate to the File menu and select the Save As option. Browse to the USB boot drive. Go to the Sources folder. Now, change the Save As type from Text Document to All File to save the file with a custom file extension. In the File Name field, type exact this file name. Click Save button to create the file. We can now close the Notepad and command prompt to go back to the Windows installation. As you can see, we now can select the edition we need when clean install Windows 10. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.